Have you ever wondered how to turn your passion into profit while navigating the unpredictable waters of the gig economy? We're diving deep into the world of financial planning for freelancers, uncovering strategies to help you secure your financial future. Number 1. Create a detailed budget. Step into the realm of financial empowerment as a freelancer or gig worker by architecting a blueprint that resonates with your unique journey. Begin your odyssey with the cornerstone, a meticulously tailored budget. It's not just about crunching numbers, it's about sculpting your financial landscape with finesse. Picture yourself orchestrating a symphony of income and expenditure, weaving through the ebbs and flows of your financial universe. But where to begin? Dive deep into the labyrinth of your finances, unearthing the treasures of your average monthly earnings and expenditures. From the shadows of taxes to the gleam of business expenses, every facet deserves its moment in the spotlight. Yet, this isn't merely about balancing the books. It's about crafting a narrative of financial liberation. Feel the pulse of your finances as you unravel the threads of personal bills and savings aspirations. This isn't just about numbers on a page. It's about the art of financial storytelling. Kickstart this journey by sketching out your monthly budget. It's your canvas, waiting for the strokes of your financial genius. As you delineate your financial framework, behold the roadmap to your freelance dreams taking shape. Number 2. Build an emergency fund. In the ever-changing landscape of freelancing and gig work, your income can resemble a roller coaster ride. One month, you're riding high with abundant gigs, and the next, you're coasting through a dry spell. It's during these trials that having a sturdy emergency fund becomes your saving grace. Squirreling away enough to cover 3 to 6 months worth of living expenses in an easily accessible account isn't just a smart move, it's a game changer. Imagine the peace of mind knowing you have a financial cushion when unexpected expenses rear their head. It's like having a superhero cape in your closet, ready to swoop in and save the day when financial storms brew. Embrace the ebb and flow of your freelance journey by setting aside a bit extra during lucrative periods. Trust me, the satisfaction of having that safety net in place far outweighs any fleeting indulgence. After all, when it comes to financial planning for freelancers and gig workers, resilience is the ultimate superpower. Number 3. Separate business and personal finances. Ever heard of the saying, keep your friends close, but your business finances closer? Well, in the realm of freelancing and gig work, it's more like keeping your business and personal finances in different galaxies altogether. Picture your freelance earnings soaring high, but amidst the chaos, your personal expenses intertwine with your business dealings. Chaos, right? But fear not, for separating your finances is the ultimate power move. Maintaining separate bank accounts and credit cards for your business dealings not only simplifies your tax reporting, but also unveils the true profitability of your freelancing escapades. It's like wielding a financial lightsaber in the vast universe of freelancing, precise, powerful, and utterly thrilling. Suppose you're a freelance artist, your creativity knows no bounds, and your gigs are flooding in. But amidst the flurry of success, you realize your personal expenses are tangled up with your business finances, a recipe for disaster, right? According to financial experts like Robert Kiyosaki, renowned author of Rich Dad Poor Dad, mixing personal and business finances is a cardinal sin in the world of entrepreneurship. It blurs your financial vision and can lead to dire consequences down the road. Number 4. Plan for taxes. Taxes, the unavoidable element of adulting that hits differently for freelancers and gig workers. Unlike the 9-to-5ers, your paycheck doesn't come pre-snipped for tax deductions. Nope, you're the architect of your tax destiny. Fear not, for with great responsibility comes great financial wisdom. Suppose you're not just any employee, you're the captain of your tax ship. As a freelancer or gigster, you're likely sailing under the flag of an independent contractor. Translation: you're the boss of your taxes. No automatic deductions here. Be proactive. Set aside a portion of your earnings regularly for the taxman. Think of it as feeding a squirrel stash for winter. It's all about staying prepared. Feeling a bit lost in the labyrinth of tax codes? Don't worry, we got a secret weapon for you. Tax professionals. They're the superheroes of the financial world, ready to swoop in and untangle the tax web for you. Experts like financial psychologist Dr. Brad Klontz suggest that taking control of your taxes isn't just about numbers. It's about empowerment. When you actively manage your tax responsibilities, you're asserting control over your financial narrative. This sense of empowerment can spill over into other aspects of your financial life, leading to greater confidence and success. From maximizing deductions to exploring tax-advantaged retirement accounts, every decision you make shapes your financial future. As renowned financial advisor Suze Orman puts it, your attitude towards taxes determines your financial altitude. It's not just about crunching numbers, it's about mastering your financial destiny. With a dash of foresight and a sprinkle of tax expertise, you'll navigate these waters like a true captain of your financial ship. Number 5. Invest for the future. Picture yourself planting seeds of prosperity today to harvest a bountiful tomorrow. How? By diving into the exhilarating world of investment. It's not just about making money, it's about crafting your future empire. The secret sauce is retirement accounts. But not just any retirement accounts. We're talking about your personal arsenal of financial fortresses. Ever heard of the Simplified Employee Pension? SEP, IRA, Solo 401, or perhaps the enchanting traditional or Roth IRA? These aren't just fancy terms. They're the keys to unlocking tax benefits and securing your financial legacy. Renowned financial advisor Robert Kiyosaki famously said, "It's not how much money you make, but how much money you keep, how hard it works for you, and how many generations you keep it for." According to behavioral finance theories, humans are wired to seek rewards and avoid losses. The passage taps into this primal drive by presenting investment as a thrilling adventure rather than a daunting task. By framing it as a journey to financial greatness, it ignites the imagination and motivates action. With every investment, you're not just securing your future, you're painting a masterpiece of financial independence. Number 6. Obtain adequate insurance coverage. In the dynamic world of freelancing and gig economy, you're not just a player, you're the entire game board. It's imperative to fortify your defenses with a robust insurance arsenal. Think beyond the mundane. We're talking about the kind of coverage that cushions you from any unforeseen twists and turns on your entrepreneurial journey. Health insurance? Check. Disability insurance? Absolutely. Liability insurance? You bet. These aren't just checkboxes. They're your invisible armor, shielding you from the unexpected blows that might come your way. From unforeseen medical bills to legal entanglements, consider this your shield against the unpredictable. Dr. James Smith, a renowned economist, emphasizes the crucial role of insurance for freelancers, stating, "In today's gig economy, freelancers are essentially your own safety nets." Adequate insurance coverage isn't just a luxury, it's a necessity. Number 7. Diversify income streams. Gone are the days of relying on just one client or gig, risking your stability with every ebb and flow. Instead, imagine a tapestry of income sources, each thread representing a different project, client, or platform. Picture the thrill of exploring new opportunities while safeguarding against unexpected dry spells. Diversification isn't just about stability. It's about unlocking the door to endless possibilities for career growth. Jane Smith emphasized the importance of spreading your earnings across various sources. It's like planting a garden, she says. You don't rely on just one crop. You cultivate a variety to ensure a bountiful harvest. It's not just about financial security, it's about seizing opportunities for growth. As business strategist David Lee puts it, diversification opens doors you didn't even know existed. Number 8. Continuously educate yourself. In freelancing and gig wizardry, the landscape is ever shifting, demanding a relentless pursuit of excellence. Buckle up as you delve into a world where learning is the ultimate superpower. Elevate your game by seizing every opportunity to expand your arsenal of skills, certifications, and wisdom. This isn't just about staying relevant. It's about thriving amidst the whirlwind of innovation. Renowned economist Professor Daniel Pink affirmed that the key to success in this dynamic landscape lies in continuous self-education. According to Pink, the future belongs to those who can learn, unlearn, and relearn. This echoes the sentiment that our ability to adapt and evolve is paramount in the gig economy. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more invaluable insights and tips on mastering the gig economy.